Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we're going to discuss the BTC and Luna requested charts. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Let's start from the Luna. As soon as we finished this back pattern where the price action went all the way up, tested the 0.5 Fibonacci level, and we got rejection, we couldn't manage to break the recent high of around $50, and we saw a heavy dump in the market, and that was actually the end of the dump at around $35. As soon as we held the $35, and as you can see, we went up number of times. We tested the 35 and a half region, we tested perfectly. As soon as we held the, as I said, $35, price action started going towards the upside. And 21st of October that I shared, keep an eye on Luna. If we're going to copy the link and paste it, and we can see where the signal was provided. Right at the top when I mentioned that, and I was expecting the pullback all the way up to the support number 2. At the same time, we had a confluence with the VWAP, and the lower line of the support, you can see how it held, and then price action started moving towards the upside. Within support number 2, we can see clearly that we had an upper line of the support number 2 was confluence with a very important level of the Fibonacci level 382, which is the mirror image of 618. And as you can see, with this next candle, 4-hour, 2-hour candles, we managed to go back and break the 382. And that was the perfect entry level with a tight stop loss. Since then, the price action started moving towards the upside. And at the moment, 1-hour, 2-hour time frames are heavily under the bull's control. However, we're slightly having a problem within this 0.66 and 0.618, the golden zones. We might see, if the BTC further dumps a bit, we might see it to retest the support number 1 at around $42. Current condition of the 4-hour time frame, as soon as we got a rejection and held perfectly from support number 2, we broke the 4-hour time frame and trying to stay to the bullish territory. However, it's not fully confirmed yet. As long as you entered one of these support levels and you have a decent stop loss, you may ride the trend. Hopefully 4-hour time frame starts giving us a bullish signal, and then we're going in the first place. I will be targeting at around $48 and $50. As soon as I get a confirmation from 4-hour time frame, I will update the target prices via Twitter. For instant market and altcoin updates, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. Since the initial call, we dumped 10%, that was a spot 10%. As soon as we held the support, and then we pumped all the way up to, again, 0.66, the golden zone, that was over 14% spot profit. And if you're doing leverage, you do the math for 10 times and 5 times decent leverage. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. BTC on the daily time frame, extremely bullish. As long as we're going to be above the support, there is nothing to worry about. The daily time frame, as I said, heavily under the bull's control. 4-hour time frame. Under 4-hour time frame, if you remember, we had the support and resistance lines around here. And then the buy signal came at around, on the 4-hour time frame, at 46,500-ish level. As soon as we managed to break with this huge candle, 4-hour time frame started giving us a bullish signal, and we never had an exit signal on the 4-hour time frame. We had over 3 times opportunity to get on board, and since then 4-hour time frame provided over 40% spot profit. With the current price action, without getting exit signal, we're over 30% spot profit, and 10 times leverage, 300%, 5 times 150% profit. In the coming 72 hours, as long as we're going to be above the upper line of this support, which is around $57,000, $57,500, 4-hour will still remain under the bull's control. However, if we're going to lose the very important level of 60,500 level, highly likely we may come to test the upper line, and the price action, I'm expecting to get a reversal. Current condition of 4-hour time frame, heavily under the bull's control. 2-hour time frame. On the 2-hour time frame, the buy signal came at around $44,000, $43,000. As soon as we managed to break and stayed above, we had a resistance at around $43,000, $44,000, claimed, as you can see, perfect breakout, claim it as a support, then 2 hour started giving us a bullish signal. Under 2 hour time frame, we have slightly different scenario. It provided all the way up to the $67,000, we had 55% spot profit. However, with the current price action, without getting an exit signal under 2 hour time frame, we have over 40% spot profit. And again, 10 times, 400%, 5 times, which is decent leverage, 200% profit. As long as under 2 hour time frame, in the next 48 to 72 hours, we're going to be above the lower line of this resistance. 2 hour will still remain under the bull's control. 1 hour time frame. Under 1 hour time frame, similar example that we can see, buy signal came at around $43,000, $44,000. If you followed the system, one could have been profitable, same as a 2 hour time frame. However, the current condition, 1 hour time frame, as soon as we lost, as you can see, the upper line of this resistance, tried to test it, we couldn't manage to break it and failed. At the moment, 1 hour is under the bear's control. As long as we're going to be remaining below $64,500, $65,000 ideally, 1 hour will be under the bear's control. As I said, the level of 60,000, 60,500 is extremely important for 2 hour time frame. If we're going to lose, highly likely that we're going to see 57,000, 57,500 levels. These are the levels, play level to level, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.